Hi everyone, we're going to determine the appropriate rotation formula to eliminate the xy term. This is one where we're going to have to use our half angle formulas. So basically, let we get started as we usually do. We have A equals 1, B equals 4, and C equals 4. And you use your cotan of 2 theta, where that's A minus C over B, which is 1 minus 4 over 4, which is negative 3/4. So if cotan of 2 theta is negative 3/4, and I have to use my half angles, which would be, I'm going to take the double angle part out, so we have sine of theta equals square root of 1 minus cosine of theta over 2. And cosine of theta, and remember we're talking about acute angles for this. We talked about in the previous videos, so we don't have to worry about the plus and minus in front of the radical sign. So what I need to know is what is cosine of 2 theta. So cosine of 2 theta is going to be negative 3/5. Because remember, this is x over y, and then my r would be 5, which is x over r, because these are Pythagorean triples. Alright, so then all we have to do is plug in the equation. So I'm going to try to write a little smaller here. So we get square root of 1 minus a negative 3/5 over 2. And I'm going to go ahead and change the 1 to 5 over 5. So it'll be 5 over 5 plus 3 over 5 over 2, which equals the square root of 8 over 10, which equals square root of 4 over 5. And when you simplify that, I'm going to move it up here, you get 2 square root of 5 over 5. That's what sine of theta would be. And cosine of theta, we do the same thing, but it's going to be a plus. So basically what I can do, instead of writing all this out, I can just take this and put a minus there. So we have 5 over 5 minus 3 over 5 over 2, which equals square root of 2 over 10, which equals the square root of 1 over 10, 1 over 5, sorry. I could hear y'all telling me that. So that's going to be square root of 5 over 5. So basically, that's our answer for cosine. Now all we have to do is use our rotation formulas, and I'll write them out here. We have x equals x prime cosine of theta minus y prime sine of theta. So let's fill this out. We have x prime, or I'll write what cosine of theta is, square root of 5 over 5, x prime, minus 2 square root of 5 over 5, y prime. That's from the previous slide. And if I simplify this, I'll pull out the square root of 5 over 5, and you get x prime minus 2y prime. Now for the y, we get y equals x prime sine of theta minus y prime cosine of theta. So we're just switching everything around. This is going to be 2, this is supposed to be plus 2 square root of 5 over 5, x prime plus square root of 5 over 5, y prime. And then I'm going to write that out, factor out the square root of 5 over 5, and you get 2x prime plus y prime. So this is your x, and this is your y. Okay? Thank you, and have a nice day.